Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Snail Solution Cream by Nature Republic here. This is a 55 milliliter cream container. It is a Korean product, and this cream actually contains 60% of snail secretion filtrate. Now, when I first heard that, I thought it was really weird, but also kind of cool because that's the kind of person I am. But I definitely wanted to check it out. And I was pleasantly surprised about this. It basically helps moisturize and revive the skin and reduce wrinkles and all that stuff that skincare products are supposed to do. But it also comes in this green container here with a lid that twists off. I kind of already opened it. And then this is, you pull it off. But yeah, so there's still some left in here, but it's like a beigey color. And it is a little oily when you touch it. But it smells so good. I can smell it all the way from here. And it definitely smells really good. I can't say I can put a particular scent or smell on it, but the container is recyclable, which is nice. And what you do is you put a thin layer on your skin. I think it's meant more for your face. And then you just massage it into your skin. And at first it feels kind of oily, but then it just blends in and sinks in. And when your skin is dry, it just feels so soft. It's amazing. And this actually was gifted to me by a friend. I guess she just didn't want it anymore. Maybe she was just trying to be a nice friend. Who knows? But I had to try it out. And I actually used it the most when I got my cast off. I had an arm cast, and for those of you who have never been in a cast before for a long period of time, it really dries out your skin because you can't wash your arm, you just can't access it or do anything to it. It doesn't have any sunlight or any way of getting moisture. So it's just kind of stuck under the plaster. So when you take it off, your arm is just really dry and gross, and it takes a lot to get rid of all that. And this just did the trick. I immediately just looked around for something that I had. This was a cream that I already liked, and I just put it on my arm, and all of that dryness went away. It was crazy how fast it all happened, but it's very exciting, trust me. So this includes, I might say some of these wrong, but squalene, cocoa extract, snail extract, mineral oil, cocoa seed butter, alkylate, niacin, diethicon, licorice extract, vanilla fruit extract, and more. But it does not tint or lighten my skin in any way, so there's no need to worry about it changing that at all. There are some skin creams that do that. No need to rinse your face afterwards or wherever you put it. You just let it sink in. And this is just a great bedtime routine product as well. Like, I'll put this on right before I go to sleep sometimes and let it just sink into my skin and relax. And it smells so good to fall asleep to. And I don't carry this around with me. It's kind of bulky, you know, so I leave it at home next to my other night creams and stuff like that. And I just love how you can just like twist this like this. It's very clever design. So I don't travel with this or carry it in my purse or anything like that. Nature Republic is a Korean brand, and they have many beauty hygiene products. But so far, I am loving their products. The snail part seems really weird to me, but it's actually okay, and this is all very easy to use. So I would definitely look into this if you're looking for a new skincare regimen. Look at their products. Definitely check out this one. I recommend it.
highly.
Thank you so much for watching this video.